These students here, Palak, Muskan, Tripti, these all are entered in the game. Okay. So others, those who are not able, they just enjoy it. Okay. And then from tomorrow, you can see this. Okay. Great game. Who's saying this? Okay. Some of you are. Sorry, ma'am. Okay, no problem. Those who have network problem, no problem. Okay. So let's start it. First question is in front of you. That is, this given is a function or not? Hurry up. 30 seconds are there. Play it. Hurry up. Select all of the following graphs which represent y as the function of x. 6 answers I got. 7, 8, 9. Okay, very good. Let's see it here. These 4 students are correct. This one is there who have answered it. Only one student, A and B. Let's come to the next question. And the student is here. Wait for a second. I will show it. Okay. Next is here. Okay, Anshuda. Anshuda got full marks. Very good. Congratulations. Next question is here in front of you. Question is this a function? Input is 1, output is 4. Input is 2, output is -2. 3 with 5 and 4 minus 3. For different values of x, we are getting different values of y. Is the function? Okay. All have answered, I think. And 2 seconds, 1, 0. Okay, let's see. Answer is yes. If we put input, different input, so we will get different output. Okay, not different output. If image is there, then we say that is a function. वो क्या होता है? Function होता है. So Anshuda again on first. Very good. Mayur is also there. He's on second. So like this, you have to try. Only 10 questions are there just for the revision. Is the relation a function? Question is, can we say any relation is a function? Relation क्या होता था? Then that inputs are there, outputs are there. Okay, maybe there is any value which have input but not output. So function, can we say the same as for function? And students have answered it and time is up. Let's see. Yes, for every x there is only one y. Okay. So let's see the score here. Okay, now Pooja. Pooja is leading Mayur. Okay, and Anshuda again on first. Okay, come to the next one. Next again, the same. This relation, can you see it? Is the relation a function here? This one. 1 value is 3, 0 पे 5 आ रहा है, 4 पे 5 आ रहा है. 2 students have answered. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now 12 students have answered it, and time is going to be up. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see. Okay, 9 are correct. Okay, now Pooja is leading. Very good. On to the next one. Now the next is saying that the given is a function or not. Here, can you see it? 6. 6 have 2 images. 6 have 2 images. एक वैल्यू इनपुट करोगे तो दो आउटपुट आ सकते हैं. Is it possible? I told you it by the example. Oh, 11 are correct. इसको नहीं पता था. Just see this that when we have a tree, अगर आपके पास कोई ट्री होती है तो हम क्या करते हैं, उसकी इमेज नहीं बन सकती बेटा. ओके, we can't make 2 images. एक पेड़ की 2 images नहीं हो सकती. Yes or no? Okay, so that I have told you. Okay, so come to the answers. Let's see that who is on first now. Oh, very good, Mayur. Congratulations to you. Let's see now. Okay, come to the next. Again with the same. This one. 5 have 3 images. Options are yes, every input has exactly 1 output. Every output has 1 input. Every input does not have exactly 1 output. Time up. Only 5 students can answer it. Okay, 0. 0 means nobody has given the correct answer. Okay, so the score is same. On to the next. A relation is a function. A relation is a function. क्या सभी रिलेशन जो हो सकते हैं वो फंक्शन हो सकते हैं? Sometime it can happen, हो सकता है. Never, always, whenever it want to be. जब भी चाहे वो रिलेशन हो, फंक्शन हो सकता है. Hurry up, 9 students have answered it. 13 students should be there. Okay, now time is going to be up. Okay, very good. So 7 students, yeah, sometimes it can happen कि जितनी भी values हैं जो आप input दे रहे हो, which you are giving input, there is a output. Sometimes it can happen when all the values of input have a output. सिर्फ ऐसा होगा जब values जो यहाँ पर नहीं है उनके लिए output नहीं है, सिर्फ उन values के लिए क्या होगा बेटा, ये function नहीं होगा. Otherwise when there is input and for every input there is an image, we say it is there. Okay, so answer is sometime. Answer आएगा यहाँ पर sometime. Okay, let's see the next question. Okay, now Pooja is winning. Congratulations, Pooja. So you have to be quick. According to time also, you can see that there is a completion. Okay, so all to be quick. Range of signum. I have told you signum function. Mode of x by x. याद है? Mode of x by x. सिंगम और सिग्नम बताया था मैंने. What is the range? Answers क्या आएंगे उसके? याद करो जल्दी से. What will be the answers of that? Okay, very good. Yes. Signum function is what? That when we have mode of x by x. Okay, mode of x by x. So answer can be here mode x. What is the value of mode x? Minus x by x. X by x. Okay, so when we cancel it, it is 1 here. And when we cancel it, answer is -1. और 0 पर वैल्यू क्या आएगी बेटा? 0. तो कितनी वैल्यूज आ गई? -1, 1 और 0. Okay, so this is the result. So let's see who is on the first now. Okay, Pooja, now girls are leading. Very good. Let's see the next one. Time का ध्यान रखना है. What function is this? The question is, what function is this? Domain is -infinity to infinity and range is from 0 to infinity. Modulus तो नहीं हो सकता. Exponential नहीं हो सकता. Okay, I have answered it. 10 students, hurry up, be fast. Yeah, that is what it is a modulus. It is wrong here. Logarithm function is the correct answer. है ना? Okay. Next is here. Okay, Mayur is also again on second. Okay, last question for you. Be fast for this, okay? What function is this? You have to answer कि कौन सा function है? जल्दी देखो. Domain 0 to infinity and range minus infinity to infinity. Five students have answered. 16, 10, 11, 12. And this ended here. Okay. Let's see the scoreboards here. Okay, congratulations. This is third, Palak. Second is Mayur. And first is Pooja. Okay, congratulations, Pooja. Very, very big hand for you. A runner up are Vanshika and Vishal. Okay, you can take a screenshot you so that you can enjoy it. First is Pooja, second is Mayur and Palak. Okay, so now come to the topic. Okay, so I think some of you enjoy it very well. Write in chat if you enjoyed it. Okay, now come to the topic here. Here, what we were doing, beta,